उस पे आप चलोगे, कभी जिंदगी में गरीब घर में पैदा होके कोई गरीब मर नहीं सकता।
5 in the morning and it's also a Sunday. I did not want to wake up. Two reasons. I've slept at 11 in the night. So 6 hours of sleep is not being sufficient for my body. Second reason, I've also had the level up weekend. So the exhaustion has been more than usual. Now what woke me up? It's the belief that waking up is always hard, but give it 10 minutes and you'll feel better. It's been 10 minutes. I woke up, I brushed, I've done my patka. I feel much better. I have zero inclination of getting back into the bed. This belief, this awareness, this faith will get you out of bed. Time for part. And one piece of advice when you're starting out with your morning routine, don't take it easy on a Sunday or a Saturday. For the first few weeks, just slog it out. Every day is the same for you. Samand Shah Sultan Girya Seti Mal Tan. Caught in the act, Tad. What are you doing, Tadu? You've been digging up the lawn, Tadu. Straight up, it's time to meditate. It's always a good idea to straight away pray and then get to meditation because your mind has been in that zone. It's yet not distracted by the day, and it'll be far better to concentrate and to do awareness exercises. I've never been much of a meditator, and even as I meditate right now, I'm honestly not sure if I'm doing a good job, but I feel really good after it. I feel like my brain exhibits more equanimity than before.
बेटा भैया और मेरी चाय भेज दो।
All right, morning, boys. How's it going? It's drizzling, and our plan was to go walk and do a dead hang. But we'll stick with the plan because it's drizzling here. What if it's not drizzling up there? We'll drive up to Kimari and see how things are looking.
Oh, that was a food gather, man. I had it till around like 12:30. I was having
Belgian waffle, huh?
with Kapil Sharma show. Oh, great! I was just enjoying it. I was having my 4 pieces of Belgian waffle too.
People would think the level up is not working for you at all.
No, I work out. Yeah, you can just ask my coach that how well I am doing or not. But yeah.
Okay, now we're ready to go.
You add their link to you can also go for some other degrees of.
Can't do those dead hangs because the pull-up bar has been removed for some reason. If you can see, these hooks used to be here, but it's gone. Chalo ji, we've parked at a very scenic spot and it's beautiful. The beauty of Dehradun, but also the beauty of Dehradun. Is this your first time in Dehradun?
Oh yeah.
And what's your opinion of it?
It's beautiful. It's very calm, peace, and the kind of walks we are having.
Yeah, the walks have been truly
Today
stunning.
we are on an incline. Karan bhai got us here. Though we are panting in just 300 meters, but yeah, it's beautiful.
It's also a call for us to make some changes with our bodies, right?
Actually, you know what? Coming here, it is a bit panting, but when we look at the view, it relaxes. Yeah.
It relaxes you. It's worth it.
You are really blessed to be here.
Yeah. The dude has no fear of touching a wire like that. He just went for it. A beautiful walk has been done, 4 kilometers, and we are ready to now head back and have a nice, nutritious breakfast. These young men shall leave inspired, hopefully,
Oh yeah.
and not have Belgian waffles. Okay.
I'll try to maintain that.
What a guy. For somebody watching this, do you think it's possible to learn about stocks?
ओए जी क्या होगी थी थादू आपको आपके इंटरव्यू ले लिए हम थादू
Yes, I think so.
You think it's possible?
I think if you're willing to put the hard work, anything is possible.
Are you willing to put the hard work?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
And what is the CAGR growth of each sector right now?
Right.
If a sector is doing well, there's likelihood the stock in that sector will do well. If the sector is not doing well, the stock's never going to do well.
नीचे से जब वो W बना के निकला मंथली और लॉन्ग और अभी भी बेचना नहीं बनता।
Because you're so used to being by yourself, I think it'll take some time to adapt to this.
ਆਪਣੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਮਿੱਠੀ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਏ ਹਾਏ ਸਮਾਈਲ ਦੇਖੋ ਕੁੜੀ ਦੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ boys the last breakfast how's it looking good
No, actually, that won't be an actual level up. That will be a meetup with you.
all right thank you so much
All right, see you.
God bless take care what was that you were talking about
50 ऐसा है कि सपोज कि आपकी इनकम 5 लाख रुपए
right
पर मंथ, आपने 2.5 लाख रुपए तो अपनी ज़िंदगी जीने के लिए रख लिया। ज़िंदगी भी तो जीनी है,
50%
50% ज़िंदगी जीनी है। उसके बाद 10% आप डोनेशन के लिए, चाहे आप दो ना दो, किसी ज़रूरतमंद के लिए रखो, किसी लड़की की शादी के लिए रखो, लेकिन 10% परमानेंट आपका एक फ़ंड अलग होना चाहिए। 10% आपका लग्जरी फंड होना चाहिए आपका, क्योंकि ज़िंदगी भी जीनी है आपने उस तरह। उसके बाद 10% में से अगर आप मेडिकल एंड मैरिज फंड बच्चों के लिए,
right
कितना हो गया जी? 80। 10% आपका रिजर्व फंड होना चाहिए। अगर आपके पास ऐसा कोई हादसा हो जाता है कि आपकी 4 महीने इनकम बंद है, 6 महीने इनकम बंद है, तो 10% आप रिजर्व फंड से अपना रोटी खा सकते, और 10% आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट, और जो आपका रिजर्व फंड है वही आपकी लिक्विडिटी है।
right makes sense
अगर उस पे आप चलोगे, कभी ज़िंदगी में गरीब घर में पैदा होकर कोई गरीब मर नहीं सकता। चाहे आपकी इनकम 25,000 है, चाहे इनकम आपकी 50,000। आपका लग्जरी फंड है, बीवी की लड़ाई क्या होती है, मुझे ये ले दो, आप कहते हो पैसे नहीं है। लग्जरी फंड में घूमने जाना है ना, अच्छे से अच्छे होटल में ठहराओ, उसको क्या भैया ये मेरे पास 5 लाख रुपए है, इसमें 2 दिन में उजाड़ दे, 20 दिन में उजाड़ दे, पूरा खर्च कर दे। कभी घर में झगड़ा ही नहीं है, और आपको टेंशन नहीं है कि क्योंकि रिजर्व फंड आपके पास है, इन्वेस्टमेंट आपकी है, मैरिज एंड एजुकेशन आपका है। किसी के घर में एक प्रॉब्लम, एक मैरिज आती है, वो पूरा खाली हो जाता है।
This is for you, my brother. But we did not. Take a seat. Sat Shri Akal. Give my best to your parents also. God bless you, brother. Sat Shri Akal. Okay, now I'm going to chill with fam. That marks the end of a beautiful Sunday, a productive Sunday. We got so much work done. What we were doing right now, what you saw were one-on-one sessions, which we do before everyone leaves. What a beautiful end to a gorgeous level up weekend. I hope you enjoyed my morning routine and my day so far. It is 12:15. And I'll see you tomorrow with another vlog. If you have any comments, leave them down there. I'll see you later.